Happy wife, happy life.
Good morning, everyone. I'm out here making bottles and got a little audience right here. He's awake and he's kind of fussing a little bit, so Jen brought him out here and he can watch me make bottles. Right, buddy? Right? You a little grumpy this morning? We're so busy now, I never have time to make my latte, but I'm finding time this morning. I got up a few minutes early and it helps keep me awake. You're not right there, Dawson. I'm sorry, I mean Braden. It's too early, I can't tell my own kids apart yet. Right, buddy?
Hi guys! So, natapos ko lang magbihis and it's time for Braden to eat, but I'm going to... Yeah, I'm going to prepare my baon first para hindi ko makalimutan. What is this, Han? Can I have one?
No, it's fine.
It says caramel frappe. Is it good?
No.
Kalbo.
Yeah, I like it.
Pampagising. Kasi tagiantok sa work. Anyways. Nakatingin lang si Braden. Hi, baby. Oh, sorry. I know you're hungry now. Mommy is going to prepare your milk, okay? Huh? Huh? Thank you for being so patient. Uh-huh. Your brother is sleeping. You watching your daddy? Huh? You just watching your daddy? Magkamukha kayong dalawa? Uh-huh. Poor baby. Oh, bless you, baby. Thank you nga pala dun sa mga nagsasuggest kung anong pwedeng gawin. Like, lagyan ko daw ng Vicks si Braden. So, I did that last night. I think it helped him. Kasi, nauubo pa rin siya. Pero hindi naman masyadong malala. So, I hope he feels better kasi nakakakonsensya. Kawawa naman. 3 months, magti 3 months old pa lang sila. Pero si Dawson, I think Dawson is not having a cough, right?
I don't think so.
So, okay naman si Dawson. Si Braden lang.
You just made me and Braden sick.
Si Kalbo din. Nahawa. Hawaan na to. Here's my baon na. Sabi ni Kalbo, it's in the room.
Okay.
And this is actually Ashley's lunchbox. And I like it because it's big. I have my own, but I didn't use it. And then I just now found out that it's whose lunchbox is it, Han?
That's my ex-wife's.
Why?
Well, Ashley used it, I guess, some last year, and it's been in there for a long time. I said, hey, I said, whose lunchbox is this? I said, get rid of it if you're not going to keep it. She's like, well, she said, it's my mom's. I said, I'm going to throw it away. She said, well, no, it's my mom's. And next thing I know, she's carrying it.
Kaya
I think
pala.
she wants to be like her.
Buong si Kalbo. Tawa ko ng tawa kanina kasi sabi ko, I really like this lunchbox. I said, I will tell Ashley I'm gonna use it right now. And then sabi niya, sa ex-wife ko yan.
Well, Leslie might see it and think it's hers and grab something to eat out of there.
No, we don't go to same, kasi his ex-wife and I work in the same company, but we don't go to the same cafeteria.
No, she goes to Spirit Cafe.
Yeah. Siguro, but she saw me one morning I was carrying this.
I
Nakita
don't know
niya.
why she messaged me.
She didn't message you. She don't care. It's
No.
just a lunch bucket. Actually, it looks old, but I just like it. Daddy is cleaning them off before we leave. This is Braden and Dawson is right there. He's going to change their diaper and wipe their face. There's some dried milk. Braden. Hi, baby ko. Hi, baby ko. He likes this a lot.
He's going to just start smiling.
Yeah.
Like, little grumpy butt with me earlier wouldn't let me feed him. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I know it's cold this morning.
Hi.
I'm
Look
sorry,
at
I know
my
it's cold.
baby. He's just smiling there. You're such a happy baby, baby boy.
You
Baby
don't feel good, but you're still
bunso.
happy.
Uh-huh. Yes, you are a happy baby. Your brother is grumpy because daddy woke him up.
I know.
Punta ako sa labas guys, aking ilo-load yung mga gamit, mga bote nila, ang aking baon at ang aking bag. Tapos i-start ko yung car para mainit na pag lagay namin ng kambal. Kasi malamig pa rin, spring. Pero sometimes it feels like winter. But it's supposed to be nicer today. So, we're hoping that it's gonna get a little warmer para makalabas naman kami. Tsaka yung kambal para mainitan naman. Kasi hindi pa sila naiinitan simula nang pinanganak sila. So, yun, ilulod ko muna tong mga to. Ang dami-dami. Hindi ko mahawakan yung camera. Good morning, guys. Here's Kuya Dawson. He has a bad hair day. Ang dami talagang buhok ni Dawson. Tignan nyo. Hi, Graydon ko. Yung dalawang magkamuka. Look alike.
Hey, buddy.
Cowboy Junior. Si Dawson, pati... Oh! You just burp in front of the camera.
Oh, you got some burping to do, don't you?
Good job, baby. Good job. Ah, you can see yourself. Huh? Huh? Do you like vlogging?
He's like not interested. Ah.
So yun guys, we're just waiting mga 2 minutes ago before we put jacket on and put them in their car seat. Kasi pinapainit ko pa yung sasakyan ko. And it's so early. It's only what time?
It's 5:35.
5:35. We usually left house 5:40 in the morning. Dati nung wala pa kaming anak, ganitong oras kami nagigising ni Calmo sa umaga to prepare, remember? We used to get up this time when we don't have kids.
Heck, I got another 10 minutes of sleep. 5:45 is when I used to get up.
Yeah. Ngayon, alaala na lang ang lahat. Aww. Look at Brayden. He's just behaved. Who's the cutest? Both are cute. Okay, we're ready na guys. We're gonna put them in the car seat. And Mommy's going to drive. Daddy's gonna drive the other car. Okay, baby. Scout ko lang. It's hot today. And I'm going to pick up the twins today because Calbo has to stay over at work until 5. So it's 3:33. Ayan, mamadali ako kasi this time, everyday nasa bahay na sila ngayon. Andun pa rin sila sa kanilang babysitter. So ako magsusundo sa kanila. I'm excited and I miss them so much. So, yun guys, magdadrive na ako. I'll see you later. Laging ganito lagi pag uwian. Sobrang tagal makalabas dito sa parking lot. Yung side lang dito kasi marami yung nagtuturn ng kaliwa. Pag tuturn ka ng right, dun sa kabilang side, kunti lang. Pero dito sa side namin, Diyos ko, ang tagal makalabas. Minsan, it takes 30 minutes, lalo na kung walang pulis sa gate na nag-a-assess ng traffic. Kaya naglagay sila ng pulis doon. Nagbabayad yung company namin para nabilis makalabas yung mga empleyado. Lahat kasi may mga sasakyan kaya ganyan ka-traffic. Ayan, we're home na guys. And they're both grumpy and sleepy, tired. I have to feed them because the babysitter said it was 2 p.m. and the last time they ate, and it's already 4:30, so it's almost 3 hours. Kaya I'm going to prepare their milk and feed them. Okay, babies, I'm gonna get you out there. Nakatulog sila sa kanilang car seat kaya sinamantala ko, naglinis ako, tapos naglaba, naghugas ng kanilang mga bote at gumawa ng gatas. So yun, ngayon pinapadede ko si Brayden. Nilinis ko muna yung ilong niya kasi parang barado. So, meron kaming pang suction ng kanilang ilong. So, yun, nilinis ko. And medyo, I think, it makes him feel better. Nakahinga ng maluwag. And then, Dawson is still sleeping. Kaya, siya muna pinadede ko. Ay, hindi pa ako nakakaligo. Kalbo kasi pumunta sa game ni Ashley. Yun, nanood siya ng softball game. Dito lang sa town namin. So, he will be home around 7:30 or 8. Depende kung madali lang yung matapos yung game. This time, si Dawson naman. Si Kuya Dawson naman ang pinapadede ko. And si Brayden is here sa kanyang bouncer. And Calbo is texting me. He said it's actually little bit chilly now kasi medyo pahapon na at mahangin. Kaya sabi niya nilalamig daw siya kasi wala siyang dalang coat. Manipis lang yung jacket niyang dala. Niloloko ko, sabi ko yakapin mo na lang. Kasi nandun yung niya, yung una niyang asawa. Tapos tawa ng tawa sa akin. Naman sila, tinatry naman nila magkasundo kasi sa mga anak nila. Pero dati sabi niya, nung hindi pa kami mag-asawa, sabi ng kanyang ex, hindi daw talaga sila magkasundo, lagi silang nagtatalo. Tapos yun, sabi niya, medyo bumait daw si Calbo nung naging mag-asawa kami. And kami namang dalawa ng ex niya, we're friends, but we don't hang out outside kasi ayaw ni Calbo. There's no reason naman na magkaaway kasi past na nila yun. So, kapag magkakasama kami, dati awkward nung bago pa lang ako dito. Tapos, nasanay na rin ako kasi yung mga anak naman nila, di ba, malalaki na. So, and then, meron na din kaming kambal ngayon. And, she's actually, wanting to babysit them sometimes, pero I think na awkward si Calbo kasi nga una niyang asawa. So yun lang guys, I'm going to clean them up later kapag nagising sila kasi inaantok. Nakakatulog na si Dawson, tapos si Brayden ayun nakakatulog na rin. Tapos I'm going to try to take a shower while they're napping. And I'm going to use my vaporizer na binigay sa akin ng friend ko kasi I'm supposed to buy one, kaya lang sabi niya meron siyang binigay niya sa akin kaninang umaga, kaya I save money for not buying the vaporizer. So yun, it really helps daw para makahinga sila ng maluwag lalo na sa gabi pag matutulog. See you lang for today guys. Maraming salamat sa lahat and please follow our Facebook page, yung Facebook page ng Kambal kasi marami na kasi akong friends sa private Facebook ko, so hindi ko na siya ganong ginagamit and I'm going to focus on their Facebook page. Nandyan po sa description box, Regal Twins, yan po yung kanilang Facebook and I'm gonna try to post every day there. So maraming salamat. Bye everyone. See you guys tomorrow.